a sign of color.
Hey Charlie, look!
Oh wow, that's nice, Amir.
Yeah, I made this for a lemonade stand.
Oh, I think that's nice, but where's the color?
Oh, I forgot the color.
Yeah, color's important.
Yeah, I think I forgot how to use the color again.
Well, no worries. You know, I know a great song about colors.
Oh, what is it called?
It's called Colors.
Wow, let's go hear it.
Come on, let's listen to it.
Okay.
Okay guys, it's time to learn about our colors. You ready? There's so many colors to learn about. Come on. La 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 la. Come on, boys and girls, let's learn about the colors of the world. Come on, boys and girls, let's learn about the colors of the world. The colors, the colors, the colors, the colors. We're learning all about the colors of the world. Red like a rose, red like a cherry, red like a ladybug and a strawberry. Orange like a peach, orange like a tiger, orange like the inside of a papaya. Yellow like a mango, yellow like corn, yellow like the sun keeping everybody warm. Green like a frog, green like a kiwi, green like grass and the leaves on the tree. Come on, boys and girls, let's learn about the colors of the world. Come on, boys and girls, let's learn about the colors of the world. The colors, the colors, the colors, the colors. We're learning all about the colors of the world. Blue like an ocean, blue like the sky, blue like a bird flying really, really high. Purple like a plum, purple like grapes, purple like an iris flower in May. White like a cloud, white like a swan, white just like a flock of sheep on a farm. Black like a panther, black like a beetle, black and white just like the stripes on a zebra. Come on, boys and girls, let's learn about the colors of the world. Come on, boys and girls, let's learn about the colors of the world. The colors, the colors, the colors, the colors. We're learning all about the colors of the world. Pink like a flower, pink like a pig, pink like a flamingo standing in the sand. Brown like a dog, brown like a deer, brown just like a big brown bear. Gray like a koala, gray like a dolphin, gray just like a huge elephant stomping, 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 like a huge elephant stomping. Come on, boys and girls, let's learn about the colors of the world. Come on, boys and girls, let's learn about the colors of the world. The colors, the colors, the colors, the colors. We're learning all about the colors of the world.
Wow, Charlie, that was a great song.
Yeah, I love that song.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna put some color to this.
Okay, yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah, and then maybe I can go ahead and copy it.
Yeah. Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Okay guys, it's time for the letter of the day. Do, 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 do. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. What's the letter? What's the letter? What's the letter? What's the letter? Letter of the day, the letter of the day, letter of the day, the letter of the day. A,
letter of the day is C. C sounds like k.
The letter C. C is for color. Colors are all around us. Everywhere you look, you see color. The food we eat is full of color. Trees and sky outside are full of colors too. There are 3 main colors called primary colors. Primary colors include red, blue, and yellow. Primary colors cannot be made from mixing other colors. They are the source of all other colors. Secondary colors are mixed from 2 primary colors adjacent to each other on the color wheel. The secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. You get the color orange by mixing red and yellow together. If you mix yellow and blue together, you get the color green. And you get the color purple by mixing blue and red together. Colors are all around us. The letter C. C is for color.
It's Kai's community garden.
Hi, Kai.
Hi, Carefree Charlie.
I'm here to pick some yellow, orange, white, and purple carrots.
I love carrots.
Me too. We're making oven roasted carrots.
Oh, wow, that's great. How many do you need?
20 carrots should be enough.
Okay, sounds great. Let's go pick them. Okay, here we are. Let's count the carrots to make sure we have everything.
Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, that's 20.
Yes, now you're all set.
Thanks, Kai. I'll bring you back some oven roasted carrots when we finish.
Okay, great. Thanks, Charlie.
No worries. See you later, Kai.
See you later, Charlie.
We love food. We love food. We love food. If your belly is empty, that's a no-no. Just place your order at Kitchen Go-Go. Garlic, pasta, avocado, potato, spinach, and tomato. You found the best, so stop looking. We're in the kitchen, cooking. Found the best, so stop looking. We're in the kitchen, cooking, yeah. Cooking, yeah. Cooking, yeah. Cooking, yeah. A kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. A kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. Kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. Kitchen go-go. Kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. Kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. Kitchen go-go, whoa, whoa, whoa. Kitchen go-go. You found the best, so stop looking. We're in the kitchen, cooking. Found the best, so stop looking. In the kitchen, cooking, yeah. A cooking, yeah. A cooking, yeah. A cooking, yeah.
Hi, Jeremiah.
Hey Charlie,
What's on the menu for today?
today we have roasted rainbow carrots.
Oh, wow. What's all in it?
Well, we have sea salt, pepper, avocado oil, and the carrots themselves.
Oh, wow. Those carrots are different colors.
Yeah, we have yellow carrots in here, orange carrots, purple carrots, and white carrots.
Wow.
You know, a fun fact about carrots is that they contain vitamins that can improve your eyesight, even your vision at night.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I love carrots.
Yeah, great vegetable.
Okay, what's first?
Well, we're gonna put some salt on them. Some pepper. Some avocado oil. Shake it up a little bit. Now let's put them in the air fryer.
Okay, what about 10 minutes?
Sounds about right.
Okay, come on, let's go. Man, I can't wait to taste these carrots.
Me neither, Charlie. Hey, Charlie, did you know even though most of the carrots you see in the store are orange, they originally weren't even orange?
What? Wow, what color were they?
They were purple and yellow, and orange carrots didn't come around until the 1500s.
Oh, wow. No, I didn't know that.
And carrots are also made of 88% water, a great vegetable for hydration.
Oh,
Looks like they're done.
yep.
Let's take them out.
Oh, yeah, look at those carrots.
Man, they look good.
Those look great. Well, time to get them plated up and get them out. Count your numbers like a star. Show everyone how smart you are. Unstoppable, just like an ocean wave. It's fun to learn while we play. Grab some friends along the way. Get ready for the number of the day. Jump for the number, jump for the number, clap for the number, clap for the number. It's time for the number of the day. Jump for the number, jump for the number, clap for the number, clap for the number. It's time for the number of the day. Come on, everyone. Count the starfish with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Hey Charlie, look.
Oh, wow. That's perfect, Amir.
Thank you. Because I made the mango yellow and red. I made the lime green because the limes are always green. And I made the lemon yellow because yellow is my favorite color.
Yeah, that's plenty of color right there. People should really notice us now.
Yeah.
$1.50 a bottle. I like that touch too.
Yeah.
Well, great job, Amir.
Yeah.
Ready to get started?
Yes. Let's listen to that song again. It was fun.
Oh yeah, the color song.
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go.
Let's do it.
See you later, everybody.
Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you would like free learning activities, and Carefreeville gear, visit our website at www.carefreeville.org. Thanks for the support, guys. See you later. We had fun talking about colors today.
Yeah, we did. Actually, I'm gonna make a new sign.
Hold on, what you talking? This the end of the show. What you saying? You ready? There's so many colors to learn about. Come on. La 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 la. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Hi, Jeremiah.
Hey, Charlie.
What's on the menu for today?
Today we have rainbow roasted carrots.
Hold on, let's start that over.
Roasted rainbow.
Stop it and start over for me.
Roasted rainbow carrots. Roasted rainbow carrots.
Hey guys, I'm Amir. And Charlie's not here right now because he's sick. I gotta give him some medicine.
Hold on, Amir.
Alright.
Huh?
I'm back.